Welcome to the Teyun-Aluminium Extrusion Production Workshop. Next, we will show you the whole process of the birth of aluminum profiles. The long bar hot shearing furnace starts to work, cutting the aluminum bars into appropriate lengths. With the press of the button, the extruder is officially started. A powerful force is about to be released, and the aluminum bars will be extruded into shape through the die under this force. The tractor and the sewing device cooperate tacitly to precisely control the length of the profiles. Every sewing is like drawing a perfect end to the profiles.